Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. In this video I wanted to take a look at the Glass TR EZ Fit Screen Protector for the iPad Pro 11-inch or the iPad Air 10.9. So without further ado, let's see what comes inside the box. For some reason with Amazon the packaging wasn't really good this time. The box was a bit battered and bruised. And the main attraction with this particular screen protector, as with the iPhone ones, was that it comes with this nice mold that you can use to position the iPad inside, and then it's pretty much a foolproof installation. You get some installation instructions here, and inside here you get the actual screen protector. There you go. So this is just a single pack, so there's only one inside. So let's keep all this aside for a second. As usual, you also get a squeegee and some cleaning wipes and a microfiber cloth in here. So whilst the iPad is being set up and it's actually being restored from the cloud, we'll learn about the installation, how to do the installation for the screen protector. So it's nice to see that the actual protector, its plastic covering is further encapsulated in this thin white piece of plastic to protect it from any damage during transport. So the actual instructions are quite simple, meaning that anyone with a little bit of DIY skill can fit this screen protector. You get this nice mold and it's got the charger side and the camera side labeled. So you just put your iPad in like so. And obviously the next step is to clean the iPad screen thoroughly to make sure there's no dust specks in between the screen and the screen protector. The next step is to take this screen protector and using your fingernail take off the rear cover of the. Be very careful with this step because this is where you will be placing this directly onto the screen. Another round of cleaning because there's been some more dust since we removed this. The more time you take with this step, the less the chances of any issues later on. And it's a good idea to have your fan switched off when doing this so that there's no dust circulating inside the room. Okay, that looks good. So again, both the positions are labeled. This is the charger side, that is the side. You just line up the two slots like so. Once they line up, they will actually go inside this, and then you press and slide. And basically what that is doing is it's driving as much air as possible out of the between the screen protector and the screen itself. So this step takes care of the positioning of the screen protector onto the iPad. You cannot go wrong with this. Usually the phone instructions ask you to wait for 30 seconds, so we'll give it 30 seconds and then we'll peel off this top cover and use the squeegee for any bubbles that may remain. Okay, it's been 30 seconds, so let's take off the top cover now. Very carefully. And it's usually a good idea to turn off the screen when you're doing this so that you're not distracted by anything. We can even take it out of the mold now. Okay, so I can see here that it needs the squeegee on one side. So there's a little bit of an air bubble here. In my case, there was one speck of dust on this edge, which required me to lift off the edge and use one of the dust removal stickers to take it out, but following that it was completely fine, and now the screen protector is perfectly installed. So that was the Glass TR EZ Fit Screen Protector for the iPad Pro M1 11-inch and the 10.9-inch iPad Air. It's also available in different sizes for the 12.9-inch iPad or other sizes. Links in the description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.